Imagine having a personal assistant that can help you brainstorm ideas, draft emails, and even code, all in real time. That's the magic of Copilot AI. Let's dive into some essential hacks every beginner should know to make the most of this powerful tool. First off, let's talk about the brainstorming feature. When you're stuck in a creative rut, Copilot can generate ideas based on a few keywords you provide. For instance, if you're writing a blog post about sustainable living, just type in sustainable living ideas and watch as it churns out a list of topics. This can save you hours of research and help you find a unique angle that resonates with your audience. Next, let's explore the drafting capabilities. You can use Copilot to draft emails or reports. Simply provide a brief outline or key points, and it will create a polished draft for you. This is especially useful for those who struggle with writer's block. Just remember to review and tweak the content to ensure it reflects your voice and style. It's like having a co-writer who's always ready to help. Now, if you're venturing into coding, Copilot is a game changer. It can suggest code snippets based on the context of what you're working on. For example, if you're building a website and need a function to validate user input, just start typing and Copilot will offer suggestions. This not only speeds up your coding process, but also helps you learn best practices along the way. It's like having a coding buddy who's always there to lend a hand. Another fantastic feature is the ability to summarize long texts. If you're faced with a lengthy article or report, simply paste it into Copilot and it will provide a concise summary. This is perfect for busy professionals who need to stay informed without spending hours reading. You can quickly grasp the main points and decide what deserves your attention. Let's not forget about the integration capabilities. Copilot works seamlessly with various applications, whether you're using Microsoft Office, Google Docs, or even coding platforms like GitHub. This means you can access its features wherever you are, making it a versatile tool in your digital toolkit. One of the best hacks is using Copilot for learning. If you're trying to grasp a new concept, ask Copilot to explain it in simple terms or provide examples. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7. This can be particularly beneficial for beginners in any field, as it breaks down complex ideas into digestible pieces. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of feedback. After you generate content with Copilot, take a moment to review it critically. This is your chance to refine your skills. Analyze what works and what doesn't, and use that insight to improve your future interactions with the AI. The more you engage with it, the better it understands your preferences. Incorporating these hacks into your workflow can transform how you approach tasks, making you more efficient and creative. Embrace the technology, experiment with its features, and watch as your productivity soars. With Copilot AI by your side, the possibilities are endless.